stop, stop, stop.
Welcome to another brand new episode of Cop Cam Chronicles, where we dive into the craziest police videos you've ever seen. We hope our videos can educate everyone and show you folks what not to do when encountering the police. In this episode, we have wild drivers that will stop at nothing. Even if it takes hitting the road at full speed, these daredevils will definitely find ways just to escape the law. Could they escape? Let's find out today. We're glad to see you here. But before we begin, the footage shown in this video contain violence and sensitive scenes that might be disturbing for some audiences. Viewer discretion is advised. In our first video, patrol officers initiated a traffic stop on a white sedan, presumably with an armed suspect inside. However, it began to accelerate away when the officers tried to approach. Before officers could exit the police vehicle, the suspect fired at the officers without warning. What happens next will shock you.
Traffic stop.
For a future location.
Adam 44 on Broadway, north of Rosecrans. Hey, this guy's not stopping. Keep an eye out, make sure he's not.
Agent 44,
Crossing any other
Broadway,
vehicle.
north of Rosecrans. 18145, still cancel.
You want to call it a reckless or DUI if they take off?
145, right? He's been swerving.
Yeah. There we go. Yeah. Move your hand real quick.
Stop, stop.
Whoa! That fully automatic machine gun almost did numbers to the officer's patrol car. But that didn't stop the officers from firing their guns too.
Get the car! Get the car!
What was that? You good?
No! Just go! Go! We're gonna be northbound.
And now the chase continues.
They hit us with, dude.
Hey! No, go!
Dude,
Go!
what the fuck was that?
What
the fuck was that?
I don't know. Try, do you know where they went?
No.
Do you know where they went?
No.
No, stop. We're stopping. Adam 44. Adam 44. We're on Broadway and 135th Street. We took shots fired. The car's last seen northbound on Broadway. And 135th.
Seems like they lost track of the suspect, or did they?
Partner, you okay?
I don't know, I'm bleeding.
Agent 44, Broadway, and 135th Street, alright.
Hey, stay away from the car.
Last seen northbound Broadway from 135th. 145, still cancel.
Let's see how it happened from the officer's body cam.
He's been swerving.
I got PA. Move your hand real quick.
Stop.
Good thing the officer took cover immediately. This was purely high-octane footage. Hopefully they can keep up with the suspect.
Adam 44 on Broadway, north of Rosecrans.
Here's how it looked from another body cam angle.
Hey, this guy's not stopping. Keep an eye out, make sure he's not.
Agent 44,
Crossing any other
Broadway,
vehicle.
north of Rosecrans. 18145, still cancel.
You want to call it a reckless or DUI if they take off?
145, right? He's been swerving.
Yep. And I got PA. Move your hand real quick.
Stop.
Go! Shots fired. Officer needs help. Get the car!
What was that? You good?
No! Just go!
We can hear the officer catching his breath. That was definitely unexpected.
What they hit us with, dude?
Hey! No, go!
Dude,
Go!
what the fuck was that? What the fuck was that?
I don't know. Try, do you know where they went?
No.
Do you know where they went? No, stop. We're stopping. Adam 44. We're on Broadway and 135th Street.
Unfortunately, we don't have the follow-up footage of where the suspect is, but we have some extra details to share with you about what happened. For our second video, officers responded to a shooting around a nearby street. It was reported that 4 male suspects riding in a blue Tesla were involved. While observing the surrounding area for the suspects, a vehicle matching the suspect description near the intersection was found. Units responded to the area and were able to provide further monitoring assistance. This is how it happened.
Here's permission to pit.
Stay red.
Copy. Should be coming up to Whitehall next. Stand by.
We can see that the chase happened on streets with moderate traffic. Hopefully, these roads won't be too busy later on.
Yes, I do have a secondary unit, if they can call it.
We're behind the north side. Right here, code 4. Alright, Phoenix, we got it. Let us call it. We got it.
Got it on Peters going westbound.
In this helicopter footage, we can see how far the suspect is being chased by the police officers.
Westbound on the Whitehall, coming up the Oak. Long lanes of travel, gonna be going 70 plus, still on Whitehall.
Heavy traffic over here.
Now back to the dashcam footage. Traffic is starting to get busier in this part of town.
Whitehall, crossing over 88.
Heavy traffic up ahead, y'all. Heavy traffic up ahead. Almost 41. We are still south on Whitehall.
Look at how the suspect tries to squeeze into those tight spaces between cars.
Travel again, back on the right side. Green state. Nice traffic over here.
41 team, you're going to Chatman.
It's just crossed over Lee. Still on Whitehall, you got heavy.
Switch to the other zone. Phoenix should be the only one talking on this radio.
Alright, we're still on Lee.
Would you look at that? The suspect's car swept sideways as it tried to evade the cops during what appears to be rush hour traffic.
It's gonna be right on Lee. He just gained control, regained control. Continuing on Lee. The vehicle is slowing down. Still with it. Just stopping in the middle of the intersection. The vehicle has stopped.
The suspect survived? Let's see how it goes from here.
Running out, I'll stay with the
And now the foot chase begins.
Hey, coming up on your 6! Coming up on your 6! Hands!
The suspect fled, but the passengers alongside him were detained by the other officers.
See, with your hands up, you understand me? Let's go! Crawl, motherfucker! Crawl now!
You don't crawl, you'll get tased, bitch!
On the ground! Don't you move! Hands down!
Hey, you got him? I'm gonna go with him.
Don't you move, I swear to God.
Hey, are you good?
Stand by.
I got a question.
Go.
I got a question.
But it's not question time. It's not talking time. Any guns in the car?
The 2 passengers were now put into handcuffs while the suspect ran away.
I don't give a fuck what you gotta do. Let's go. Don't move. Face down. Don't move. Face down. Don't move. Stop moving. Yeah.
black pants, black sneakers.
Now back to our helicopter camera, we can see the suspect is still on the run. Luckily, the police finally caught up with him.
No, you're not. You're good. Got him. Where at?
Now that was a very thorough check. They even included checking his underwear to see if he had any drugs or weapons tucked away.
Watch yourself. Watch yourself. Stop moving them.
A gun hidden on his leg? Now that's clever. I'm glad the police were smart enough to look there.
He's good. He's good.
What a success. Hopefully this will teach the suspect a lesson. If you love shocking police interaction videos like this, you can show us your support by subscribing to our growing channel. Also, do us a favor and ring that bell icon to get notified for updates too. We'll see you around next time here at Cop Cam Chronicles.